Now, our aim is testing of maximum current rating of given fuse wire. With the help of this experiment, student will learn to determine the current rating of given fuse wire. For this experiment, apparatus required are ammeter, fuse wire, KitKat switch of 32 ampere and 500 watt halogen bulb with on off switch. The most common protection scheme used in domestic and industrial application are HRC fuse wire. Depending upon the diameter of fuse wire, the current rating of wire also varies. In HRC fuse wire is mainly made of tin and tungsten alloy. This material shows a special property when current is allowed to pass through it. The current or wire get heated, becomes red when continuously overcurrent is allowed to pass through it, and the fuse wire get broken into two parts from the center of wire. Hence, disconnected the circuit safely whenever overcurrent is passed through it. The wire remain intact if any current below its rated capacity is allowed to pass through it, and get broken when current greater than rated capacity is made to flow through it. Now, remove the outer cover of the KitKat switch and fix the fuse wire whose current rating is to be determined in the slot provided in KitKat. Connect ammeter to measure the current in the circuit. Switch on the supply and on this halogen with help of this switch one by one. The current drawn by a single 500 watt halogen bulb approximately 2 ampere when connected across 230 volt 50 Hz single phase supply. After switching on halogen bulb, wait for 1 minute and observe the heating pattern of fuse wire under test. If the wire appear normal, then add one more halogen bulb in the circuit using switch. So we start second switch and again observe the heating pattern of fuse wire for 1 minute and simultaneously keep and watching the ammeter reading. Now we put another lamp load. This is the current value by 3 halogen lamp, and this wire get red hot due to higher load. After we put 4th halogen lamp, the fuse wire get burned and disconnected from supply. The moment connected fuse wire becomes red hot and breaks from the middle or center, note that the reading carefully, and it is therefore concluded that current rating of given fuse wire just below the final ammeter reading. Now we start all lamp load and observe the ammeter reading, which shows 8 ampere. That means the fuse wire put in this KitKat slot is more than or approximately 8 ampere. If rating of this fuse wire is less than 8 ampere, then due to this lamp load, the fuse wire get red hot and short circuited or blown. So with the help of this procedure and experiment, the maximum current rating of fuse wire is determined, which is approximately 8 ampere. and we conclude the maximum current rating of the given fuse wire has been successfully determined.